Well, Ryan, with so much uncertainty out there right now, we could all use some good news to try to get our day started. Team 12's Trisha Hendricks shows us the special surprise one local group of Valley students had for their favorite teacher.
As we all know, school is out right now, but one group of parents, students, and staff didn't let that stop them from surprising their teacher. A certificate and flowers in hand, Nathan Hale Elementary teacher Melinda Knowles had no idea we stopped by her house. Come on out!
You're the Channel 12 A+ Teacher of the Week, Miss Knowles. We love you. We're so grateful for you. Cool. Thank you.
Her kids hoping to go back to class soon.
I miss her a lot.
Best teacher ever. I'm Mesa. She came to my tea party once and she brought the snickerdoodle.
Best teacher we've ever had. So good to see you guys. I miss you, Mason.
I love you, Miss Knowles. I want to get back to class soon. The best teacher.
Oh, you guys, thank you so much for coming. Even though school's out, we couldn't miss this opportunity to let you know how much we appreciate you.
This has been a big challenge. I've never not been able to not be with my class except for that strike a few years ago, and that was thankfully just a week. And this is going to be 4-5 weeks with our spring break, and I miss them terribly.
Whether it's learning to add, subtract, read, write, and more, Mrs. Knowles will be there to help kindergartners with their first year at their school.
Just so sweet and thoughtful. I cannot believe this is wonderful.
She wants her students to know this.
So that I love them, that I want them to keep reading and keep doing their math facts. And then there's going to be a big party that we come back the day we go back to school. My heart is very full. So thank you guys.
Until then, Zoom meetings over the computer will continue. In Mesa, Trisha Hendricks, 12 News.
Oh, Trisha, when kids are begging to go back to school, you know she's really important to them.